Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a gap year affidavit. This essential legal document is a sworn statement, typically made on stamp paper and attested by a notary public. It's used to declare that you took a break from your academic or professional journey for a specific duration. This affidavit ensures transparency and authenticity, often being a mandatory requirement for college admissions, job applications, or even visa processes, providing an official explanation for any significant gaps. When preparing your affidavit, several key pieces of information must be included. You'll need to provide your full name, current address, and your father's or mother's name. Crucially, detail your last academic qualification and the year you completed it. Then, clearly state the precise duration of your gap, including both the start and end dates. Finally, articulate the specific reason for your break, whether it was for competitive exam preparation, medical treatment, or personal development. The process of drafting and legalizing your affidavit involves a few important steps. First, carefully draft the content, ensuring all personal details, gap duration, and reasons are accurate. Next, print this content on non-judicial stamp paper, which typically costs around 100 rupees, though values can vary. You must then sign the document in front of a notary public. The notary will verify your identity and attest the affidavit, granting it full legal standing and recognition. To ensure your gap year affidavit is effective, avoid common mistakes. Do not use vague reasons like personal issues. Instead, provide specific and truthful explanations. Double-check that all dates, including your last qualification and the gap period, are accurate and consistent. If you have them, attach supporting documents, such as medical certificates for health breaks or acceptance letters for internships. Finally, always retain at least one notarized copy for your personal records and future reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.